Well, we were at the drop shop and they have the Mickey and Minnie Labubus. This is that new store inside of the Marketplace Co-op. I guess Mickey would be the heaviest, top heavy, right?
I don't know.
Oh, this one's just nice and heavy.
This one's really light. This one might be Donald. Yeah. This one's really light.
So you've heard of the Epcot dinner table trash cans? These are
unboxing cans.
These are unboxing trash cans. As you can see, we got some Mickey and Family Labubu keychains. But let's start with this one.
This wishable. So these are the Zootopia wishables. You can get Judy Hopps, Gazelle, Flash, Clawhauser, or Nick Wilde. I would be happy with any of these, but again, it'd be pretty cool if I got Judy or Gazelle.
Yeah.
So we'll see.
You're better at popping these boxes. You have this cool square that comes with, or star that comes on the top.
Oh, neither, but I'm equally happy.
You got. Ooh. So these are wishables. They are not keychains, however.
Chubby little Nick Wilde.
He doesn't look like Nick Wilde at all. What is this? Discount Nick? Who is this?
He's been working at the police station eating too many donuts with
Yeah,
Clawhauser.
it's like they took Clawhauser and stuffed him like Clawhauser.
Yeah, it really does. That's really
He's
funny.
kind of derpy.
I love it. You open yours first.
I'll open mine first. You'll see me fail.
I
so
got
there's a
lucky
special
today.
way to.
I don't know. I don't have good luck with that. Maybe you do it and you thought. I don't know.
Maybe. Who I thought it was.
You thought it was Goofy.
It's Goofy.
You okay with Goofy?
He's still cute.
He's very cute.
Is that what these are?
Okay, if I get the one you want, I will trade with you.
Yeah.
I cannot get these things to pop.
Yeah.
How does everybody else do it?
I love all of your patches.
Thank you so much. Oh, that is sick.
Especially chopping mall.
Oh,
Yeah.
yes. I got a card.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. All right, let's go.
Okay, let's go. I got Dale.
You got Dale.
You want Dale or you want Goofy?
I don't know.
I'm happy to trade you. They're both very cute.
Having Dale without Chip feels blasphemous, but I think I'll take Dale.
Okay.
Also, he's so
It
fluffy.
feels this gives you an excuse to buy another one.
I will not either confirm nor deny. I bought another one.
All right.
All right.
Shame.
What?
Shameful.
The shame pull.
Except it is satisfying pull too. Nope. Wait,
Oh,
there you go.
so I guess you have to pop it like this to make that corner pop.
Here, oh, look at the card on the inside.
Ooh, you can't see my face right now, but
He's going like
it
this.
feels.
Is it really Goofy again? I swear to God.
It's Goofy again.
Find somebody who wants to trade him.
I didn't show this last time, but when you come around the corner, they have these. You can vote for who you want. You just recycle your boxes here. So we're gonna put ours in pain. All right. So I got Goofy again. We're gonna see if we can trade someone. All right, we did manage to find someone to trade, and I got Pluto for Goofy.
He's so cute.
He is very cute.
2 days later.
We didn't get a daisy. No, that's not mine.
No, and these like the other things, they're
Yeah, the Labubu kind of
but not a Labubu, but made it Labubu, but they're not really Labubu.
Yeah.
Oh, you got it?
I got Minnie.
Oh, you got Minnie. Cute.
It was
We
an
got
okay
both of
joke. We have all the Star Wars
What
ones.
did daisy?
Oh, you got Chip.
Oh, you got a chip.
What do you have?
I got a Mickey.
No, but where's the other one? You have Chip?
I have Dale. I have Dale.
All right.
I have Dale. Did you want to trade a Mickey for a chip?
Sure.
Uh,
You wait. You want to wait?
oh, I got Pluto.
You got Pluto.
I just traded my Pluto chip for Dale.
Oh,
Yeah, I can trade Nikki for Dale. For
You have the card?
Yeah. Perfect.
You have the card that gets
nice.
Actually, I was the creator of that.
I created the wise old hen and created them. Even my pinboard, like I have a little display pinboard from Pin Pro. It's all different. Like that would be one I put on my pin trading account and be like, "There's my
Gold!
That's
Nice.
what you wanted, right?
Yes.